The impact essentially inflated the rock. It expanded the rock, heated it up, it swells up, opens up the joints and further destabilizes it.